How to tag someone on Facebook. So if you want to tag someone on Facebook, then first of all you need to open up your Facebook application. So you can go for create story if you want to tag someone on your story, or you can also go for post, which is on the upper right side, which has that album icon. Tap on that, and from here you can choose any photo that you would like. So I'll be choosing this one. And now if you want to tag someone on your post, on your Facebook post, then here on the bottom you will have a bunch of options. So on the second option you will have tag. You can simply go for that tag option, which is blue color, and here you can have all of these options. Like you can choose any person that you would like to tag. So for now I only have this one friend, so I'll be choosing this one friend. And now you can go back, and after that you can write something about the photo or the post, and then you can go for post, which is on the upper right. And that's it. That's how you tag someone on your Facebook. And after posting, here you will have this tag. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.